Today our video is on a color correction. Let's suppose I want to add some good colors in my video and adding some good colors effects in my video. So right click and go to color correction. The box will open and as you see that these are some colors effects. So if I want to change my temperature of a video, so I can simply change temperature from here, and these are some presets, some good effects if you want to add in your video, so your video will become wonderful. And it's a manually adjust button, and I can simply correct my color from here. This one is a brightness, if you want to increase your brightness, so you can simply, and this one is a contrast. More contrast will make a good effect in your video. And let's go to the light. This is a lights, this one basically is a light setting. If you want to change a light setting, so you can simply change from here, like it's a fire and light will low, will make more wonderful. And this one is the shadow. If you increase the shadow, as you see that the particles of the fire is increasing display. So if you have a white effect in your video, so if you want to make it low, so you can simply low from here.